Hi guys, we're at Kroger. Look at the sky. It is so pretty. It's so pretty. Look at the cloud. Ain't they so pretty? Oh my god. It's so pretty. But anyway, okay, let's get into Kroger. Hi, we're at Kroger. This is what they have. Boneless beef steak rolls, ground beef $5. Chicken, chicken 99 cents. Look at the Valentine's Day, it's so beautiful up in there. Wow. $9.99 over here. Chips is 4 for $10. You gotta buy 4 bags. I don't want no 4 bags of chips. Weekly digit, you save 10 or 12, couple dollars on toilet paper. They have pasta, 99 cents. You save 60 cents on pasta. Soda, buy 2, get 1 free. Where they have, mayonnaise. I don't need no mayonnaise, not yet, at least. 10 for 10, rice-a-roni. For 10 over there. Lots of 10 for 10 over there. Soda. Buy 1, get 1 free, and 1 pack is $2.49, so it'll be like $1.25 each. It's so pretty. Avocados, 99 cents for avocado, 99 cents. Bell peppers, 99 cents. This is so pretty. Happy Valentine. Strawberry, $1.99. It's not bad. For strawberries, $2, and you gotta buy 4 things. Oh, okay. It's $1.99. You have to buy nothing, thank God. Okay, it's $1.99. Okay, we're gonna get, Wonder, you have to buy 5 things. Sara Lee, you don't, okay. This is for one of my 7-day meal. $179 though. Weekly digit, $179, guys. I'm in a Kroger, $4. Oh, now they're $2.40 now. What happened to $2? $2.49. Lunchables, 2 for $6. No greens for $1.54. No greens. Tomatoes. And the salads on sale. Potatoes back to the regular price, $2.79. They were buy 1 get 1 free, and one was $2.99. Pineapples, 2 for $5 for pineapple. Lots of 10 for 10 items. Hot dog for 2 days. I'm thinking about it. That's $6. Okay, we're gonna get. Which ones is 4 for $5? The bar AM wieners. The bar. I guess it's the 12 one. I think I said $2.50, so that's $2.50. $1.25 each. Yes, for muffins, buy 1 get 1 free. Cereal, $1.49, not bad at all for cereal. I think I only said $1 for beans. Lord. Let's see. Okay, $1.19. Okay, the beans. Wow. What else I need? Cornbread mix, chips. I hope there's everything I need on my list. Okay. We have tuna, so I didn't need that. Yeah, I didn't need no tuna. And let's see, can I save a few penny with the tuna? Because that way I know how much it costs. Okay, cornbread is $69. Red Jeffrey. Smoked hams, $1.99 for smoked ham. Orange juice, $2.99 or $2.49. General Mills cereals. Oh, you know what? I do need cooking spray just to have it around the house. We need some cooking spray. Okay, cooking spray, $3.99. I should have got this at the dollar store. I don't think I'm gonna get none. I'm gonna wait. $2.20 because it was $1.50. The cheapest one is $2.29. So I'm gonna wait till I go back to the dollar store for that. What about this? $5.99 for a usually buy. That's the cheapest, yeah. Yeah, 'cause I need some of that. Oil, $1 off. It is $5. 2 pound is 10. I'm gonna get one. $9.88. $5. Thank God I got the one for my meal. It's $4. Okay. That's that. No, I don't see it. It's the 12 ounce. Right here, 12 pieces of chicken for $5. Can't beat that. See, they had the chicken was 99 cents a pound for a whole chicken. Ugh, look at that guy. Okay, I wanted to get a whole one, so how much a whole one would be? So if that's £5, that'll be $5. I don't know, dude. I should have one of these chicken at home. There's $20. Just bought one of those. $9. But I can't believe it's butter. I can't afford you right now. But $9.50 with my $1 off. Little bricks. Get these for $2.09 for these. Okay. I hope and pray God my OTC card cover all this. They have some cookies, reduce. Breads. These eggs are $9.89. We can spot something that's on sale. Probably not. See how they changed the cream? It's pretty blue. This cream over here is what, 2 for $7. Chips 3 for $5. Hey! Okay. I don't see nothing over here that might be on sale. Just checking the look, never know. Now that, buy one get one free. Ooh, the done is $4, $1.50. Oh wow, that's a good price. Can't afford done right now. Okay, $1.99. What else? We're gonna get these. Okay, we got these. And this is the rest of the stuff I needed with my $7 meal. I hope and pray to God that I got everything. I had my list, but I forgot. And my other items are at home. For you guys, I bought this and this. How much you guys think all is gonna be? That and that. I got those on sale, $1.94. Peanut. Those on sale up there. And they have these for $1.49. You gotta buy 5. Oh my. Oh, there we go. Ooh, $5.49. My goodness. Dang. Well, this box is $3.49, but ain't that many in there. How many in here? 20. Yeah, I'm just gonna get this one. Okay, got it. We're gonna grab this one. Well, how much is 2 gonna be? Dang, $14, $15. I bought a Sprite because it's flat. Yeah, or I can get 2, then get 1 free, and that's $24. I can't even reach that. Okay, guys, that's it. That's not with that. This is it, guys. That's mine, and this is for my $7 meal. Okay, guys, my total for my $20 meal is $8.16, and my total for the other item $24.13. So I did good. I think I said $40. So like 25, 30, 35, 30, 34. And this is my stuff. And I have it right there, guys. Okay, guys, bye. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you later. Bye, guys.